Channel Beach, as Manju says, there is 2,000 rupees per person.
कार्ड से पेमेंट हो जाएगी then why get currency change?
Yeah, we'll try to do it from the card in case if they take card.
See that because of the
You're not sure.
not sure because of the very small stuff.
I understand. But a little bit currency we actually need in hand. Okay. So this is turtle. Sea turtle hatchery.
Now we will go to turtle hatchery.
Let's go to turtle hatchery.
It's not the beach is
Yes.
not here, na?
Beach also have. Turtle hatchery. This is the other side beach.
So let's go to the turtle hatchery.
उत्तराखंड
क्या?
उत्तराखंड
उत्तराखंड. That's the turtle. वो तो भैया बैठे थे. ये हमारी सी टर्टल हैचरी की टिकट है. दिस इज 2,000 per person. The sea turtle hatchery. Your name is Nipun. Okay. Hi. So Nipun is going to explain us everything.
Okay, this
That-
is our hatchery.
Okay.
In the world, there are 7 kind of turtles,
Mhm.
but in Sri Lanka, we have only 5 types. You
Okay.
can see the board here: green turtle, olive ridley,
Mhm.
leatherback, loggerhead, and hawksbill. These 5 kinds mama turtles came to this beach and put their eggs into the beach, and then she go away. She don't care about her babies. But some animals like guanas, water pointers, storks, and also the human, they eat those eggs. So we collect from the beach and put in here because it's safe.
I
Then
see.
after 3 months they come out automatically. No need any help, only temperature help. High temperature female turtles come out and low temperature male turtles come out. After they come out, we collect and put this tank, you can see the babies. Okay.
Oh wow. So these are the these are
5 days old babies.
This one isn't moving.
Name
Five-
is Olive Ridley. World smallest turtle.
world's smallest turtle.
It can go maximum 45 kilograms.
Okay. 45 kilo.
Yeah.
This big.
Hold on. You hold.
Yes. So okay. That is really nice. Hey Meta, start recording. Hey, Meta. That's really nice. You want to hold?
Oh, I know.
Very.
Another one, different type.
Very cute.
Olive Ridley. This is called green sea turtle.
Green sea turtle.
Yeah, world's second largest turtle. It can grow maximum 230 kilograms weight.
230 kilograms.
And that
Wow.
type, vegetarian type, mostly they eat seaweed, but
Mhm.
sometimes they eat fish.
Okay.
That is 6-month-old baby, but that one rescue turtle. Damaged.
Okay, these are rescue turtle.
Fishermen bring here and after
Ah.
it recovered, they release it.
They can listen.
No. They can see.
They can bite.
Yeah, if you finger put near to the mouth, it will bite.
Okay, they'll bite if you go near to them or you put your finger near to them. Nice. These are big turtles. So this is the baby one.
Baby.
अभी थोड़ा बच के. Let's go. So So these are
This also the green sea turtle, same type.
okay.
Big one, 2 years old, Konama.
Okay.
Other one, 8 months old.
The 8 months old.
2 years old. He's also
He's 8 months.
rescue turtle.
Okay. He's 2 years old. What is their age?
Very long.
You mean lifetime?
Yeah.
200 years.
200 years. 200 years.
ये वाला 8 months का है, वो वाला 2 years का है.
Same type, green turtle.
Uh-huh.
One flipper damage to the motorboat propeller. That is also 6 months old.
6 months old, and that is
4 years old.
4 years old. The other one. I am not able to see the other one.
The one not here. 4.
नीचे बैठा नीचे.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
वो तले पे. Down.
Yes. I can see a little bit.
मिनी का टाइम होगा ना, स्लीप टाइम.
किसका?
उसका टर्टल का.
निन्नी का टाइम है.
हाँ. रेस्ट टाइम.
So they lay eggs where? Here only. Oh, there. Oh, in the beach. This is
Disabled baby Olive Ridley, 8 months old.
8 months old.
It cannot can't swim properly, not active.
Okay, so he's disabled.
We rescue.
Ah. But also rescued. All turtles here
All
are
are rescued.
rescued turtles
After
here.
recovered, we released those.
Okay. I'll show you the turtle cycle also.
This also the green cheetah. Big one, 5 years old.
This one 5 years old.
Other one, 1 year old. These all are vegetarian.
Vegetarian turtles.
They eat seaweed and they have very sharp teeth.
They are very
Sharp teeth.
softy.
Sharp.
Sharply. Oh, sharp teeth. Okay. They eat carrots and all, huh?
No, not carrot, only seaweed.
Seaweed only. Okay. This is one big turtle. He is 8 years old. 5 years old. 5 years old turtle. 5 years, 8 months.
Backside have a tail.
All these are male. क्योंकि मेल से तो गुलाम बनते हैं.
Boy,
Long tail poi.
short tail girl.
Girl. Okay. So long tail means boy and short tail means girl. So they biting each other. Why? अरे ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो सर आप? That's a big breath he took. He's gonna take revenge, I guess. Bite him.
Hawksbill over there.
Ox.
Hawksbill, most beautiful turtle in the world.
Okay, let's look at the most beautiful turtle in the world. That is the most beautiful turtle in the world. They're here.
Hawksbill, it has a longer beak like
Sorry.
an eagle. These are snappers. If they bite your finger,
So if they bite our fingers can be cut. Oh.
They haven't teeth, they have powerful jaws like a blade. Now 7 years old and weight 45 kilograms.
Okay.
It can grow maximum 90 kilograms.
90 kilograms. These are 2 turtles here.
These are for the carnivores.
I don't think so. Justice हो रहा है on the camera, but I'm trying. This is all the same.
That is different type. That is called loggerhead.
Lockerhead.
Loggerhead turtle have a big head.
Okay.
Now 8 years old
Okay.
and weight 70 kilograms. It can grow maximum 180 kilograms.
180 kilograms.
These are for the carnivores.
Lockerhead, carnivorous. And then these are hawk, something which are the most beautiful turtle in the world. Very beautiful. ये अगर इसके पास उंगली डालोगे तो ये काट लेगा. उंगली काटनी पड़ जाएगी है ना कभी? वही काट
यही काट लेगा.
अच्छा ये यही काट लेगा उंगली. मम्मी उंगली डाल के देखो.
Now, Papa.
These are our 7 times in the world. 2 in India, but top 2 not in
7 types.
Top 2 not in Sri Lanka. Right back to Australia
Hmm.
and came straight to South America. Other 5 we can see Sri Lankan Ocean. Leatherback is the world biggest one. It can grow maximum 640 kilograms.
Oh,
And
that is the biggest turtle ever.
and that is common one. Uruya.
Sea turtle, green sea turtle is the common.
Hawksbill, that one's naked turtles.
This is the hawksbill,
And that is
the most beautiful turtle,
very smallest turtle.
olive riddle.
And loggerhead is
Okay, so we saw olive riddle was there.
yeah, olive ridley, loggerhead, green
Olive
turtle,
riddle we saw, lockerhead we saw,
and green turtle,
green turtle we saw,
and hawksbill.
and hawksbill we saw. These 4 turtles we saw. This one
You can
is
see deep.
in deep sea. This is in deep sea, and these 2 are in, you will find outside
America and Australia.
Australia and in America. Wow, that's the sea turtle of the world. Wow.
Very simple,
Okay.
simple life cycle. They burn alone and they live alone. And
Huh.
after the
How
mating,
many eggs one turtle can give?
more than 100. And after the mating, they are separated. And first time she can lay the eggs after 30 years.
Mhm.
First time.
So they are eggs,
Yeah.
right?
Then-
Then they are
No, then
okay. They
hatching.
first they're mating, then eggs,
Then hatching
then hatching,
and juvenile,
then these are 100 turtles coming out, and then
adult.
juvenile, adult, and then again mating, and then again gives eggs.
And if baby released from this beach after 30 years, she come back same peacefully.
So basically they're born for mating.
Yeah, like humans.
Yeah, yeah. Really nice. Do not touch the turtles. So guys, we have preserved eggs of turtle,
These are the preserved and rice beef.
and this is
Rice beef.
okay. Deep. Very nice. Thank you so much. It was a lovely tour. I'll show you their shop also. एलिफेंट्स, टर्टल वाली जगह पे एलिफेंट्स मिल रहे हैं. टर्टल भी मिल रहे हैं. सो कैसा लगा आपको टर्टल बीच? नाइस. हाँ अम्मा, हाउ वाज इट? क्या सीखा आपने टर्टल्स के बारे में, मेरे को बताओ.
लंबी उम्र वाले, लॉन्ग लाइफ,
लॉन्ग लाइफ.
vegetarians and long life. End of the story that one should be vegetarian.
Because they, so that you can live long life.
Yes.
Okay, they beat, their heartbeat is
Every 90 seconds only one beat.
every 90 seconds they beat only one beat.
Heartbeat.
Or in 90 seconds, how many beats can we take? 72. Sorry, 72 plus 35. So basically, this is a center where you preserve and help
hatching
and hatching of
Hospital.
turtle hospital. Good job, yeah.
Sorry?
Which plant is that?
This is lotus.
That is lotus. That's one nice.
And Devium.
And this is Enderium. लोटस लोटस दो लोटस आ रहे मम्मी फ्रेम में
तीन है.
कहाँ है तीसरा 4 हो गए लोटस ये लोटस बना नहीं है एक लोटस 2 लोटस 3 लोटस 4 लोटस आई डोंट नो ये कौन सा पेड़ है बट फ्रूट्स बड़े अच्छे अच्छे लगे एक्चुअली मैं जस्टिस नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ टर्टल का क्या
नोजी नोजी.
टर्टल का नोजी भी है
आइस भी दे.
That is a big turtle. क्या
उंगली डाल के कर
वो कर रही है. नमस्ते. पूछ वाला है ना, ये मेल है.
क्योंकि पूछ है तो मेल है छोटी पूछ पे फीमेल है बड़ी पूछ पे मेल है
हाँ, ये
तो अब ये कैसे पता कि छोटी है कि बड़ी है सो इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस सो बहुत मज़ा आया इट वाज अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस सी हैचरी टर्टल